Welcome to an A1 English vocabulary lesson. Let's dive into these fantastic 5 subject pronouns. Ready? Let's get started! I refers to oneself. It is used when talking about oneself. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. On Sundays, I visit my grandma. On Sundays, I visit my grandma. You refers to the person being spoken to. It is used to address someone directly. You ride your bike to school. You ride your bike to school. You watch a movie with friends. You watch a movie with friends. It is a pronoun used to refer to a thing or an animal. It can also be used as a subject or object in a sentence. It rains a lot in April. It rains a lot in April. It is hot during the summer. It is hot during the summer. He refers to a male person or animal. It is a pronoun used to replace the name of the male person or animal in a sentence. He plays the guitar at night. He plays the guitar at night. He helps his mom cook dinner. He helps his mom cook dinner. She refers to a female person or animal. It is a pronoun used to replace the name of the female person or animal in a sentence. She draws beautiful pictures. She draws beautiful pictures. She dances with her friends at the party. She dances with her friends at the party. In order to practice what you just learned, you will be asked 5 questions. Each question will be displayed for 10 seconds before the answer is revealed. Good luck! The correct answer is I. I is used when talking about oneself. True. You is used when referring to another person or people you are talking to. She is used to describe a female person. I is used to describe oneself. It is used with an object or animal. You is used with another person or people. The correct answer is it. The cat is sleeping because it is tired. False. She is used when referring to a female person.
Congratulations! You made it to the end. How did you do?
If you found this lesson useful, please show your support to our channel so we can continue to produce more fun, fast English content.
Don't stop now. Watch other videos from the A1 English playlist.